Okay, hi everybody, it's me again. So, just uploaded last final episode review of Stray Dogs Season 4. Anime series review time! Between Saitou and this, I think both Saitou and this show right here I'm about to review are the best Isekais of the season. I shit you not. This anime is so refreshing, it's funny, it's entertaining. There's nothing more I can say. And what's the show called? Well, Campfire Cooking in Another World with My Absurd Skill. What I find so hilarious about this show, this guy gets summoned to another world. These other three people. His skill is online grocery. Now, as ridiculous as that sounds, and by the way, those three, they're like mentioned one time in the whole goddamn show later on. So, logistically, the synopsis is this. Salaryman Tsuyoshi Kuda is accidentally summoned as a hero to the kingdom of Reisager in another world. Continues to help defend against their enemies. Wary of the royal family's true intentions, Kuda is able to talk his way out of the situation due to his non-combat skill, online supermarket, which is deemed useless. However, this power proves to be anything but useless. With this ability, Makoto is able to cheaply purchase food products and utensils from Japan, most of which are considered luxuries in this world. As Makoto cooks up a storm using his ability, he catches the eye of a fearsome mythical wolf, Fenrir. The legendary beast swiftly negotiates a contract to become Makoto's familiar. Unable to resist the delicious dishes with Fenrir by his side, Makoto travels the world, earning his keep as an adventurer and merchant, all the while enjoying delectable meals. If that synopsis does not get you in this show, I'm here to tell you this. This show is ridiculous. Ridiculous. On all counts. Imagine if you took Soma from Food Wars and you put him in another world. Now, that does sound kind of ridiculous because Makoto's not Soma, but still. And here's the more even bizarre thing. His food that he makes increases people's stats. That's true. And the further you go in this series, the more bizarre the meats that he cooks up. In fact, towards the end of the series, I don't want to spoil too much, but towards the end, they acquire the carcass of a creature that is so legendary that the guildmaster says, no, we can't do it. Sorry. You have to go somewhere else to get this. Oh my god. But also, I should mention, there is one thing about the show that also I find unbelievable. Now, as that synopsis states, he doesn't have any combat abilities. He doesn't. Online grocery. You know? He's buying things from Japan in another world. So what ends on happening is because of the things that he's doing, he gets the attention of not just one, but 4 goddesses. The goddess of wind, the goddess of fire, goddess of earth, and the goddess of water. The goddess of wind, air, how do you want to say it, is the goddess that bestowed those powers to Fenrir. Or he calls him Fel, for short. He has to give blessings to this goddess in order to keep this offerings to this goddess, in order to keep this blessing. But he didn't just get her blessing, no. He gets other blessings too. And the more this goes on, the more ridiculous it gets. And I'm like, oh my God. It's insane. But like I said, the selling point of this show is it's insane. It's like him and Fel hunt down monsters. They kill them. Get them butchered. He cooks them. Down the road, more things start to happen. Obviously, when he gets these blessings, his magic increases. And he gets more abilities. But it's not like, and this is the thing that throws it in a wrench. It's not like when he gets the blessings, he gets overpowered, here and there. But in the beginning, he doesn't. All he has is Fel in him. But it's such an intriguing concept that you never would thought would transfer well in a show like this. And it did. Without spoiling too much about the show, I should reiterate, based upon the synopsis, that yes, Fel is a familiar to Makoto. He gets another one who is tickle pink adorable. And it gets to a point where you're like, aw, But like I said, it gets insane because every time there's like a crisis involved. And it's just, he brings, this show reminds me of a lot of shows that happened during the season that were isekais. But this does it in a way where the guy's not overpowerful. He's just, it's just the skill he has about, and it's not just food he's buying. Other items like freaking shampoo and soap. But bringing it here is considered luxury because they don't have it. I can't give this anything less. I want to give this a 10 out of 10. I swear to God, I really do. I really do because it's such an enjoyable watch. And listening to the banter between him and Fel, just this legendary figure. It's basically the name of a wolf from Norse mythology. You can't make that shit up, man. I was like, what? I want to give this, I guess before, I want to give this a 10 out of 10. Oh my God, I want to give it a 10 out of 10. I say it's perfect. It's probably not for everyone here and there. I would give this a 9.5 out of 10. That's how much I enjoyed it. It's such a great watch. It's such a refreshing take. Now, obviously, the season ended. When it's definitely getting a season 2. Oh, please. Please, Mappa. Mappa, I know you got a lot on your plate, Mappa. I know. You're coming out with, that Hell's Paradise. And you got my good boy, Gojo, coming down. When you get a chance, please do this show. Please. Can you? Please. Season 2. But definitely, I would definitely tell you guys, watch this show. It's funny. It's entertaining. I don't know if you want to call this Food Wars meets Isekai, but it's definitely a refreshing take. And listen, when it concerns Isekais now, I think that one needs to happen. We need more shows like Saitou, Handyman in Another World, and we need more shows like this. Because these are the Isekais that make you look at it and you're like, oh wow, this is such a refreshing take. And it's enjoyable watch. Wow. And you know what's funny is that you would think, oh, he doesn't get the respect he deserves, but he does. He does. Everyone all around are going to him and they love his food. It's like, yo. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys for this. Now, one left. Aside from the other two I have to do, which is basically Eternity. I don't know. Eternity. That's going to be really sad. And Outcasts. That's not going to happen until the weekend. The weekend I'll put that out. But those are going to be the only last ones. And obviously the last other one review I have to do is Tomo-chan. That's going to be tomorrow night. So this is going to be uploaded tomorrow night, Thursday night. I'm going to do Tomo-chan. And then spring's coming. The first one up to bat is Hell's Paradise. After that, it's probably going to be Ancient Magic Bride. And then our good old friend comes back. Starts with a G. Yeah, Gundam. Ha! I'm wondering, like, how they're going to top that. This is Bankai 922. I'll see you guys later. Cooking in Another World. It works. Fail is the goat. See you guys later.